Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Maz Naturals, and today I'm going to show you how I make my aloe vera oil for lots of hair growth. Now, as you can see, as I always do, I always make sure that my aloe vera is really clean. So I'm using the brush to kind of just clean the leaf a little bit before I use the oil. Now you guys know that I love aloe vera. I use aloe vera spray, aloe vera in my smoothie. I use aloe vera for everything in my skincare. So using this leaf to make an oil is just like had to be done. So basically once it's cleaned, I cut off the end with a sharp knife. Be careful when you're using your knife, guys. So after I've cut the ends off, I tip the leaf upside down in some clean water because that bit contains some yellowish latex stuff. It's like a yellowish latex substance, and it's called aloe, and it can cause some severe gastric distress if you ingest it. And obviously I'm not just going to use this aloe for my hair, I'm going to use it in my smoothie as well. So I just drain it. You just drain the ends off into some clean water so it all comes out. Leave it in there for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And you can't really tell in the video, but it's kind of like murky, the water. So basically you just discard that, and then the aloe is safe to use. If you want to use it in a smoothie or anything like that, it's safe to use. So that's how you do it. You just drain it into the water. So then after that you cut the aloe. So I'm not going to use all of the aloe to make my oil. So I cut it in half and carefully cut down the sides so you get rid of that spiky bit down the side of the aloe. So then once you've cut the sides off, you can see the spiky parts there, what I'm showing you. I then cut the aloe vera into cubes because you need to cut it small to make your oil. So carefully just slicing it down and cut them into cubes, keeping the skin on. You need your pot, and I used olive oil, but you can use any oil that you want. I really wanted to use jojoba oil, but I've ran out, so I'm just going to use olive oil. So you just line your pan and then let it warm up a bit, and then add the aloe vera into your pan. Let it sizzle a bit. I just added a bit more oil because it was a lot, and then I just stir it around. Then once the oil's cooled down, as you can see, it's looking a lovely rich colour. You get an empty jar, any jar will do, empty mason jar, and then I use the leftover of the aloe vera I will put into a Ziploc bag, and then I'll pop that in the fridge to use it for next time, because aloe vera can last up to like 2 to 3 weeks. So what you need to do now is to drain the oil. I use a sieve just in case there's a little bit of leaves or anything floating in the oil. I just make sure I strain it out into the clean jar. And as I do not like to waste anything, I like to make sure I get all the oil. So I squeeze it with my squeeze it with the spoon. So I now add some vitamin E oil and some peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is so good for stimulating your scalp and encouraging hair growth. So just squeeze about 2 squeezes of vitamin E oil and 10 drops of peppermint oil. And then give it a good stir. Put your lid on, and then there you have it, your aloe vera oil ready to use. So guys, this is the aloe vera oil. That's how much I've made, and just thought I'd show you what I do to my hair. I washed my hair yesterday and I haven't retwisted it for a couple of months, so I just wanted to give you guys to see what I do when I do leave my roots. And I've noticed that my hair's really thickened up. These ones are a bit crazy. These are my new locks. I've even got an extra new one somewhere, this one here. And these starter locks are really coming along well. It's just that they're a bit crazy all over the place, because obviously they're shorter than the rest, so they don't lay down. I'm going to show you the back. Got this one here. Short one. And so what I normally do, I'm using my homemade rosewater and lavender oil.
The roots, need moisture. Keep the roots moisturised, it gets quite dry, and also the ends.
And basically I separate the hairs. So I do separate them. I would get my aloe vera oil, just get a little bit, and then just put it on the actual hair. I don't put it on my roots. And then I just wrap the hairs around, the loose hairs. Any loose hairs, I just wrap them around. Now, I've not been using any oil on my scalp, and I will share that in another video, why I've stopped using oil on my scalp. But basically, I just go through each section and then wrap any loose hairs.
If you like these loose hairs, literally just wrap them around. Or I would braid them in. The new locks.
Put the aloe vera oil in the front.
You can see the shine. You see shine.
Aloe vera does is nourishes the locks.
That's it. You can see how nourished the aloe vera oil makes my locks. And I did the Seamoss gel last week. If you haven't seen that video, I will put it in the description box. And if you haven't tried Seamoss, guys, try it, because I feel like this is what's making my hair thicker. You know, the benefits of Seamoss is just unbelievable, inside and out. So basically, that's what I do. To my hair when I'm not retwisting. That's it.
So that's what I do to moisturize these roots. And that, the oil is absolutely amazing. Really, really keeps the moisture in, and my roots stay separated, as you can see. So that's all I do when I'm not retwisting. I'll just spray the Rosewater and lavender oil, and then moisturize with the aloe vera oil. Just putting a bit of extra one around there, around my edges. So guys, if you try making this oil, then let me know. Drop a comment in the comment box if you've ever made the oil. That's it. There's the oil, nourished. Those starter locks are kind of being held down by the longer hair. It's kind of underneath. So what I do, I normally tuck them under like that, so it holds it down. And that's it. So there you have it, guys. Aloe vera oil. Very easy to make. So let me know, guys, if you've ever tried it. So that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be alerted of my up and coming videos. As always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah.